Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your recent visitors on Mico. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Mico on your mobile device. Tap on Social at the bottom of your screen. At the top of your screen, you can see recent visitors. Tap on it. Now, if you have any recent visitors, you can find it here. And that's it. This is how you check your recent visitors on Mico. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.